Welcome to the Slice Up YouTube channel. Today's program is Power BI in 3 minutes, and today's topic is row and context filters. This is Siva.
Hi, this is Arasa.
Welcome. Right. First of all, we need to understand what a row filter and a filter context is. A row context is, imagine a table of values, and the computation occurs at a row level. When I say computation, is the calculations. For example, sales times quantity equals the cost price of the item at a row level. Certain calculations need to be done at a table row level. Certain calculations can be done at a filter level, which is called the filter context. For example, you can add sum, you can average value, average sales, sum of sales, count of customers. All these things can be done at a filter level. What I mean by filter level is called the filter context. Filter context can be affected by both external filters as well as internal filters. External filters are items like the slicers or even the filter menu in the Power BI and the table rows that are adjacent to your measure. Normally, measures come under filter context. There will be certain times where you need what they call it as a context transition, which means you need to do certain calculations in the row context and then filter it out to the filter context. And that is called the context transition. For example, if you want to look at the latest sales by customer or the last sale order date, for instance, that sort of calculation need to be done at row level and need to be fed into a measure to display the values which can act at a filter level. It's better to show in practice. Let's get on with it now. Hi, the filter context is something like a measure based on the external and internal filters. For example, you have the year filter and the month filter. So as I click on the year filter, the data changes and the months get displayed for that particular year. For example, we have a formula, a DAX formula called sum of sales. And sum of sales acts on a filter context, which means if I have a table called market by sum of sales, you have the market name like Angola, Australia, Cameroon, etc., and sum of sales here. As I remove the market name, the total of 92,882, 653 is the sum of sales. As I add the market names in, the sales still the same total amount, but the sales varies by each market name, which is the filter context. The filter context in this case is a market name. Not only that, the slicer's year, 2017, and the months also acts. For example, if I choose October 17, as you can see, the sales for October 17 changes and the total changes as well. This is called the filter context.